Have you ever dreamed of holding a saw, cutting something apart? Or maybe you remember the sound of a saw echoing in your dream. That image isn't just about a tool. It can actually be your subconscious saying, it's time to change something. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden meanings, emotional reflections, and symbolic connections of seeing a saw in your dreams. By nature, a saw is a dual-purpose tool. It destroys, but it also makes room for something new. That's why seeing a saw in a dream often marks a turning point in your life. Maybe you've started realizing that something just isn't working anymore. This dream pushes you to recognize what's draining, blocking, or no longer serving you. Cutting something doesn't always mean ending it completely. Sometimes it's about reshaping it. So the saw isn't a symbol of destruction. It's a message of rebirth, clarity, and rebuilding. Using a saw often ties to a desire for control. If life feels like it's slipping out of your hands, your subconscious might be urging you to take the reins again. The act of cutting represents defining your personal boundaries, knowing clearly what you'll allow and what you won't. This dream shows that you're entering a stronger phase, one where you're more confident and decisive about your choices. Cutting something with a saw can symbolize releasing the weight of the past. It might be an old habit, relationship, or mindset that no longer fits your life. Your subconscious is encouraging you to cut it out and make space for growth. It's not an easy process. Sawing takes effort, but every stroke simplifies, clears, and creates breathing room. In this way, the saw becomes a tool of cleansing, reminding you that you finally have the courage to let go of what's unnecessary. Working with a saw requires patience, strength, and rhythm. Dreaming of one often mirrors the struggles you're currently facing. Maybe you've been working toward a goal for a long time and feel tired or uncertain. This dream tells you to stay patient. Like a saw's sharp teeth, life can be rough, but if you keep going, you'll eventually shape what you've been envisioning. The saw is a symbol of resilience that leads to success. Sometimes you might dream of using a saw to repair furniture or fix something broken. This reflects your inner desire to correct past mistakes. It's your mind's way of saying, you can still fix this. Here, the saw turns into a tool of repair, not just restoring what's broken, but making it even stronger than before. That's a powerful sign of growth, awareness, and emotional maturity. Seeing a saw in your dream can also be about emotional distance. It often shows your need to step back from relationships that drain or exhaust you. This could relate to a friendship, workplace situation, or romantic connection. The saw becomes your subconscious saying, it's time to protect your space. Sometimes it's also a sign of communication gaps. It might be time to confront something directly and set clear boundaries. The sound of a saw often causes unease. Hearing it in a dream can represent repressed emotions rising to the surface, stress, anger, or discomfort you've been ignoring. This dream is your cue to face those feelings. Suppressed emotions don't disappear. They build up until they demand attention. The saw here symbolizes that emotional friction. It's time to be honest with yourself and deal with what's been buried. Seeing a broken saw in a dream represents a period when you feel like you've lost control or can't seem to gather your energy. It's a symbol of exhaustion, both physically and emotionally. A rusty saw, on the other hand, points to old, unresolved issues that have been quietly bothering you for a long time. It's your mind's way of saying, it's time to finally face those things. In contrast, seeing a new and sharp saw symbolizes strength, determination, and confidence. It shows that you're ready to make clear decisions and start fresh in some area of your life. if you see someone else holding or using a saw, it's often linked to conflict or communication problems. It may reflect a disagreement, tension, or difference of opinion between you and someone else. The saw represents a turning point. You're the one deciding what stays and what goes in your life. Sometimes this isn't about an ending. It's about clearing the way for a new beginning. If you're in a phase of reshaping your life, this dream is proof that your inner transformation is already in motion. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to stay tuned for more. In the next video, we'll continue decoding the powerful symbols your subconscious is trying to show you.